Hi everyone, in this quick video, we will talk about planning the cloud migration. This video will help you to understand about the best practices, where we need to focus while planning the cloud migration. The process of migrating an application or data to the cloud can be daunting, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a smooth and successful transition. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when planning your migration. 1. Define your goals and objectives. What are you trying to accomplish by migrating to the cloud? Make sure everyone on your team is on the same page and understands the goals of the project. 2. Assess your current infrastructure. Take inventory of your current application and data, and understand how it is being used. This will help you identify which parts of the infrastructure can be migrated, as is, and which parts will need to be redesigned. 3. Identify dependencies. Understand what dependencies your application or data has on other applications or data. This will help you plan for a smooth transition and avoid any disruptions. 4. Select the right cloud platform. Not all cloud platforms are created equal. Do your research and select the platform that best meets your needs. 5. Plan for security and compliance. When migrating to the cloud, security and compliance should be top of mind. Make sure you have a plan in place to secure your data and meet any compliance requirements.